Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook southern green beans, a truly comforting dish. First, select about 1.5 pounds of fresh green beans. You'll want to trim their ends and then snap or cut them into 2-inch pieces. Next, gather your key ingredients: some bacon or a ham hock, a medium onion, chicken broth, and your favorite seasonings. These simple steps lay the groundwork for a flavorful and satisfying meal that everyone will love. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Begin by rendering 4 to 6 slices of bacon in a large pot or Dutch oven until they are wonderfully crispy. Once done, remove the bacon, but make sure to leave about 2 tablespoons of those delicious drippings in the pot. This is where the magic happens. Next, sauté 1 medium-sized, chopped onion in those drippings until it becomes beautifully translucent. This step adds a depth of flavor that is absolutely essential. With our flavor base established, it's time to add the stars of the show. Introduce your prepared green beans to the pot with the sautéed onions. Then, pour in 3 to 4 cups of chicken broth, ensuring the beans are mostly submerged. Now, add that cooked bacon back in, or for an even richer taste, a smoked ham hock. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. This combination creates a truly authentic taste. Finally, let's bring these southern green beans to perfection. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and cover the pot. Allow them to simmer gently for at least 1 hour, or even up to 2 hours, until they reach your desired tenderness. Before serving, always taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. These delicious, tender southern green beans are best served hot as a comforting and flavorful side dish that will surely impress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.